Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan Crew. Under the hood we have a 3.6 liter V6 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in granite, looks great. You do have the Dodge badging with the chrome accenting on your grille there. You do also have your halogen headlights and your fog lights just down there. Coming around the side here, we do have our 17-inch rims with our Firestone brand tires. They look great. You do also have heated exterior mirrors right there, and coming all the way around to the back of the vehicle, you got your crew badging as well as the Dodge and the Grand Caravan. You can open it up right here, just like that. You do also have your backup camera there. Lots and lots of room back here for storage and whatnot. They are also stow and go seats, so all you gotta do is follow the instructions. So you got number 1 right there, number 2 down here, 3 right here, and 4 is this guy here. Folds it right into the floor just like that. You can do the same with the other side and all the rest of the seats, giving you tons and tons of room. You do also have this button right here to close it up. Okay, we have our keys here, 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock. We got our panic button up there. These ones open up the doors, that one opens up the back, and this guy is our remote start. Very nice in winter, get it nice and warm for you, or gets it cool for you in the summer. Now let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. On the door you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all here. You have your chrome accenting on your handle here, some storage and more with a place for a water bottle. Looks great in here, very comfortable seats. The cloth is very nice. You do have the controls over the seats here, so back one forward, tilt and lumbar support. And then over here we do have the controls over our lights, so we have our off, our on, our daytime running lights, and our fog lights right there. As well as over here we have our in-cabin light control, and up here we do have the control over the turning signals, windshield wipers, and high beams. Okay, let's start up. Key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Now right in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. In the center it also says we have 43,000 kilometers, not too bad at all. Also tells us the vehicle speed, the temperature outside, and which way we're facing. We can switch that around to our trip info, vehicle info, messages, our units, system setup, and you can turn the menu off as well as your fuel economy right there. Now that is controlled from right here with your Bluetooth options. Horn in the center and your cruise control right there. Around the back of the steering wheel, you got your volume up and down as well as a source changer. And then right in the center here, we do have our 6.5-inch touchscreen display. So it does have AM, FM, and Sirius XM. You got your Bluetooth options over here. You have your radio here. Media button here if you have anything hooked up through your aux cord or through disk, as well as you have your hard disk drive built right into it. Volume up and down with the power. You can press this guy and load your CD or your DVD right into there. As well, you have your menu button right here. You have your audio, your files, and then you do have your USB and your aux cord plugins. When you are in reverse, you have that ever useful backup camera, keeping you nice and safe. And then down here we do have our dual climate system for your passengers, so you can have different levels of hot or cold. You can sync them. You also have your AC, your defrost, circulation, heated seats and steering wheel, where it's going to blow out of, your power and your off, as well as your rear climate control. Econ mode, you also have your hazard lights, your power there, and then also your traction control. A little bit of storage here, some storage here that you can fold up. As well, you have your cup holders and some more storage right here that you can also fold in. You also have your top layer for your glove box and your locking bottom layer right there with your owner's manual inside of it. And then up top we do have the control over the doors and all of those guys there. Let's take a look in the back. It is an automatic open, so you just gotta pull it and it will open right up for us. Lots of room back here, looks great, seating for 7, and it does also have a rear DVD player right there so people can watch movies or whatever they might want to. You do also have the controls over the rear climate back here, and then it does also have the stow and go seat, so all you gotta do is pull this guy up right here, just like this, and then you just gotta pull this, and it folds right into the ground, just like that, and then you fold this back over top. Looks great. You do have these storage containers right here as well. You got 3 of them. And then you do have lots of room back there for the other 3 people with your cup holders as well. There's our 3.6 liter V6 engine. Well, that does it for my walk around video, the 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan Crew. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.